HearUBetter Ear Care Clinic in Halewood Centre, Liverpool. When to book a hearing test? Your hearing is so important to your overall well-being. It helps you to connect with others and experience the world around you. You might feel that your hearing is not what it used to be. Our accredited audiologist is here to help. You should consider booking a hearing test if you experience any of the following: difficulty hearing conversations, struggling to hear people clearly, especially in noisy environments, turning up the volume, frequently needing to increase your TV, radio, or phone volume, ringing in ears. Experiencing tinnitus is a ringing or buzzing sound in your ears. Muffled sounds. Sounds seem muffled and you have trouble understanding speech. Asking for repetition. Often asking others to repeat themselves during conversations. Ear pain or pressure. Experiencing pain, pressure, or feeling fullness in your ears. Dizziness or balance issues. Having unexplained dizziness or balance problems. Age. Being over the age of 60, as age-related hearing loss is common. Exposure to loud noises. Having a history of exposure to loud noises, whether through work or recreational activities. Family history. A family history of hearing loss might increase your risk. If any of these situations apply to you, it's advisable to schedule a hearing test with an audiologist or hearing specialist. Regular hearing tests can help detect issues early and ensure you receive appropriate treatment or interventions. If you are interested in our ear care services, book an appointment online today. Please contact us at www.hearubetter.co.uk or call us on 0739 675 4993. We are open Thursday to Friday 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. and Saturday 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. Our address is 60 Roseheath Drive, Halewood Centre, Liverpool L269UH. Hear you better, hear better, live better.